Hi, how are you doing?
Good, how are
It's
you?
so nice to see you, and you're looking lovely.
Thank you, thank you.
And should I say welcome to Saima because you are the founder of Saima. So we have a couple of questions
Sure,
for you.
sure.
The first thing is Saima has reached the 10-year milestone. So how has the journey been so far? It's massive, isn't it?
Okay, Saima journey, as I would always say, is a very overwhelming journey because it's been a roller coaster, right? Because like every business, we have our ups and downs. But on the whole, here we are standing here after 10 years. God has been very kind, and it's been a great journey.
So the South Indian movie industry is enormous. It's huge with so many actors from different industries. How did you manage to get so many actors under one roof? How,
So-
was it challenging? How was the experience?
Yes, of course, it is very challenging to put together the four South Indian industries. But like you know, it's a uh, huge separate entities by
Correct.
itself coming together.
Correct.
But I would say that the idea and vision behind Saima is to bring it together where all the four South Indian industries can come together to network and channelize their talent and meet like have a reunion every year. So over the years it got easier because people started looking forward to it because it was a very good spot to network.
And
So
it has been so successful
yes,
every year
yes.
and it's growing enormously.
Yes, yes. And also, ours is the only awards that go by voting. So that also has built a certain amount of credibility. So the actors also know that the awards are genuine.
And the
And
audience also trust
know,
the process.
yes, yes.
Okay, lovely. So as we know, Vishnu and you are the founders of Saima and it's such a massive event. So every time you have a disagreement, who do you think usually wins?
Well, that's a difficult question. Not enough that we are together in this. We are also husband and wife, so you know how it is.
Exactly why I asked you.
But we have our ups and downs. We have our showdowns, definitely. But then we come to a point where we agree to our disagreements in an amicable manner. That's what it is.
Did you have anything today? Before
Luckily, not as yet.
let's keep a fingers
Yes.
crossed and hope Saima turns out to be a massive successful
Thank you
event.
so much.
All the best
Thank
and
you.
congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello. So, hi Isha. Welcome to Saima 2022. ఎలా ఉన్నావు?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm doing great. I know we keep bumping into each other కానీ
Yes.
but one question I want to ask కానీ
Yeah.
Saima ఇప్పుడు 10 years celebrate చేసుకుంటుంది.
Yes.
And you're here for the first time.
No, no.
Ah.
Second time. 4
Second.
years ముందు already వచ్చాను. This is my second time.
So second time and
Yeah.
Saima is celebrating its 10 years. So
Yeah.
నీ relationship Saima తో ఏంటి?
Dubai. First time Dubai గుర్తొచ్చింది.
Okay.
It was so good because I happened to meet all of the South film industry, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam,
అవును.
especially and Telugu వాళ్ళు.
అవును.
So it was so fun and I'm waiting for this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So చెప్పు Isha quickly.
Yeah.
Who is your favorite actor?
చాలా అందరూ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్స్ నాకు.
అరే
అంటే ఒక్కరు కమల్ హాసన్ గారు.
సేఫ్. సో బ్రేకింగ్ న్యూస్
ఏ,
ఈషా
no, no.
రెబ్బా ఒక యాక్ట్రెస్ సైమా అవార్డ్
నో రీసెంట్ గా విక్రమ్ మూవీ చూసా కదా, చాలా చాలా బాగుంది.
అది
Yeah, it's
ఇది మాకు
amazing.
కావాల్సిన కంటెంట్. నువ్వు ఇలా చెప్పాలి కానీ ఇప్పుడు కమల్ హాసన్ గారు అని చెప్పి తప్పించేసుకుంటే ఎట్లా?
తప్పించుకోవట్లేదు.
సో ఈషా వన్ మోర్ థింగ్. సో ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నారు అండ్ చాలా మంది నామినేట్ అయ్యారు, అవార్డ్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు. వాళ్ళందరికీ ఏం చెప్తాం అనుకుంటున్నాం?
గుడ్ లక్ అండ్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు ఆల్ ద విన్నర్స్ అండ్ నామినేట్ అయిన వాళ్ళకు కూడా బిగ్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడే పాపం వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువసేపు నేను ఇబ్బంది పెట్టుకోదలుచుకోలేదు. సో ఈషా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.